Philosophy of artificial intelligence, physical symbol system hypothesis, Dreyfus critique of artificial intelligence. These are the limitations. The emperor new mind, AI effect. Can machines can solve any problem that human being can solve using intelligence? Okay, can machines do that? If there are hard limits to what the machines can accomplish, this question only addresses the external behavior of machine. It does not ask whether the machine is conscious or has a mind. Okay, these are the limits of the artificial general intelligence. Let's go to Alan Turing's plotty conversation. So he says one need not decide if a machine can think, or need only decide if machine can act as intelligently as human beings.